If you feel lost in your life right now, if you wake up every day knowing that you need to change your life, but you have no idea exactly where to begin from, then stop scrolling. Because in this video, I'm actually going to help you build a plan. Wait, I'm not going to tell you that just believe in yourself or wake up at 5 a.m. and your life will magically change. No. Just watch this full video, write the plan down, and I will help you build a structure that you can start following from today and actually change your life. I'm Anushka and I'm restarting my life too. And so I'm not here as a psychologist or a life coach or a productivity expert. I'm actually someone who's deeply trying to understand how to rebuild a life when you're completely lost. Okay? And so I have done a lot of research along the way and I am going to share what I have learned. Okay? What I actually believe can help and what I'm actually going to try myself. Okay? But for now, I want you to take a notebook or take a pen and paper because I just want you to take something through this. Before we begin, let me make this one thing very clear. This video is for you if you feel stuck in your life. It is for you if you feel like you do not know what you're doing with your life. If you have wasted months or even years and you want to start from zero right now but have no idea what should be your first step. Maybe you have had goals, you have goals right now but you do not know how to turn them into reality. Or maybe you don't have goals yet. Okay? Maybe you can just be a person who feels like I haven't locked my 100% potential yet and I want to unlock that now. Or maybe you can just be a person who feels like I don't want to live like this anymore. I want to improve or I want to get into the best version of myself. If that's you, please stay. Because by the end of this video, you will learn something much more valuable than just motivation. Trust me. Okay. Now before we set a single goal, I need you to understand one thing. A plan cannot save someone who is not willing to follow it. And restarting your life is not going to feel pretty and beautiful every single day. There will be days when you will feel demotivated. There will be days when your old habits will feel easier. There will be days when you will suck at things and cry and look at the mirror and look at your progress and think that what's even the point? And that's exactly why you need to ask this to yourself. Are you actually willing to work on yourself? Not perfectly, not every single day, but genuinely. But because if you are here to just watch this video and feel motivated for 10 minutes and get back to your same old life, then you can leave this video straight away right now. But if you are here to take responsibility, take control over your actions, if you're here to be honest with yourself, if you're here to build yourself one day at a time, then let's begin. Guys, now let's move on to our very first step, which is finding a right direction. Look, if you exactly know what your goals are, if you exactly know what you want weekly, monthly, yearly, then you can skip this part and move on to the next step. But if you do not know where to begin from, if you do not have set goals, if you do not know what should be your next step or what should be your next goal, ठीक है, if you are completely lost, then this step is for you. ठीक है, या अगर आप इन दो चीज़ों के बीच में हो, थोड़ा कन्फ्यूजन है किसी चीज़ को लेकर, you can still watch this, okay? If you can still stay, right? Okay, so now you don't have to figure out your entire life right now at this moment. Okay, the task is much easier. You just need to take a pen, you just need to take a paper, and you just need to write every single thing which you think is wrong with your life, or every single thing that you think needs to be improved. या ऐसी कोई चीज़ जो आपको लगता है आप गलत कर रहे हैं, what you dislike about yourself, a thing or a habit, anything it can be. और कोई भी चीज़ लिख सकते हो. मे भी हो सकता है कि यू आर फॉलोइंग अपार्ट इन अकेडमिक्स. ओके, हो सकता है कि यू हैव नो रूटीन, हो सकता है कि यू आर टू डिस्ट्रैक्टेड, हो सकता है कि यू लैक डिसिप्लिन, हो सकता है कि योर बिहेवियर टुवर्ड्स योर सेल्फ इज़ नॉट गुड. इट कैन बी एनी सिंगल थिंग. ओके, जस्ट राइट इट डाउन. लुक, when you write your problems down on a paper, when you state them clearly, 50% of the problem is solved. It is said likewise. Okay, जब आप प्रॉब्लम समझ जाते हो और उसको अच्छे तरीके से क्लियरली स्टेट कर लेते हो तो उसका सोल्यूशन फाइंड आउट करना इज मच ईजियर दैन यू थिंक इट इज़. ओके, जस्ट थिंक क्लियरली एंड राइट एवरी सिंगल थिंग डाउन. पॉज दिस वीडियो एंड देन कम बैक. आई होप आपने हर एक चीज़ लिख ली है. मैंने खुद भी लिखी है एंड मैंने खुद भी सारी चीज़ें नोट डाउन करी. Okay, now when you have written every single problem in your life, I just want you to think about these particular areas जिनका मैं अभी नाम दूँगी. Number 1, education and well-being. Number 2, health. Number 3, mind and emotional well-being. Number 4, relationships. Number 5, skills and learning. Number 6, lifestyle and environment. And number 7, personal growth. Now you need to think about each of this area and you need to think clearly कि इन सभी areas में से which area requires the most of your attention right now. ठीक है, अब इन सारे areas में से एक, दो या maximum 3 areas select करना. You don't need to select every single area. ठीक है, you just need to select maximum 3. Okay, just prioritize the one that needs the most attention of yours. Okay, and list that area. Okay, in your journal or wherever you are noting this stuff. I hope you have decided your particular direction. Now, the most important part of the video is here. This is setting a goal. Now, surely many of you might have already selected a goal. आप लोगों का 5-year goal हो सकता है, 1-year goal हो सकता है, monthly, weekly आपको क्या करना है ये you might know very well. But I am just going to help you more in making it more specific. Now, how do we make it more specific? So basically for this I want you to do one simple thing. ठीक है, जितने भी प्रॉब्लम्स अभी आपने लिखे हुए हैं, ओके, you just need to go through these problems. Okay, take a look over these problems and ask one question to yourself, why are they even a problem? Okay, now what do I mean by saying that? So suppose my problem that I have written here is I wake up late. Okay, now I will ask myself, why is waking up late a problem? Why has this become a problem? Okay, now I will think of it in a certain way, what habit of me is restricting me and is asking me to keep this problem recurring, okay, and that too in a loop. मतलब ऐसी मेरी कौन सी हैबिट है जिस हैबिट की वजह से दिस प्रॉब्लम इज रिपीटिंग एंड रिपीटिंग एंड रिपीटिंग एंड आई कुड नॉट गेट आउट ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर प्रॉब्लम. व्हाट हैबिट इज रेस्ट्रिक्टिंग मी बेसिकली? सो आई विल से कि बिकॉज आई स्क्रोल एट द नाइट एंड आई स्लीप लेट इवन इफ आई नो कि मुझे जल्दी उठना चाहिए एंड इवन इफ आई नो कि इफ आई डू नॉट स्क्रोल राइट नाउ एंड इफ आई टेक प्लेंटी ऑफ स्लीप राइट नाउ एंड डू नॉट स्पॉइल माई स्लीप शेड्यूल आउट देयर देन आई कैन डेफिनेटली वेक अप अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग. और मे बी माई प्रॉब्लम कैन बी कि आई स्नूज ओवर द अलार्म एंड आई जस्ट थिंक कि मैं इतने जल्दी उठ के क्या ही करूँगी. सो दैट इज बिकॉज आई लैक द स्ट्रक्चर बेसिकली. कि इसका मतलब ये हो सकता है कि आई हैव नो आइडिया कि मैं सुबह उठकर क्या करूँगी. सो आई हैवंट फिक्स्ड इट येट. Okay, so that can be the thing. So you just go through all your problems out there, take a look over these problems, and you have to do a simple thing. You have to ask why. Okay, now I hope you had did that. Now one simple thing you need to do is कि आपने habits जान ली कि what is the reason behind that being a problem to you. You know that very well now. Now you have to do one simple thing. If this is a problem, what is an ideal solution for me? Okay, if waking up late is my problem, then what could be the ideal solution for me? Obviously waking up early, and that you know very well. Okay, so this waking up early needs to have a meaning. Now what do I mean by saying so? So you just go through all these problems once again and you know what is your ideal solution to these problems. Basically ideal solution नहीं होने की वजह से ही these things have become a problem. Am I right? आप जल्दी नहीं उठ पा रहे हो, this is a problem because you want to wake up early, right? So this is the thing. तो ये जितने भी प्रॉब्लम्स आपने लिख रखे हैं इनके आइडियल सॉल्यूशंस यू हैव टू नोट डाउन बिफोर दीज प्रॉब्लम्स, राइट? एंड वंस यू नोट दिस आइडियल सॉल्यूशंस यू जस्ट हैव टू गिव अ मीनिंग टू इट. ओके, नाउ टू डू दिस यू जस्ट हैव टू think कि if I want to wake up early then why do I want that? You have to give a meaning to it, a reason that is strong enough to make you move, okay, strong enough to push you. Okay, I want to wake up early because I can attach my particular meaning to it. I want to wake up early because मुझे उससे डोपामिन मिलता है, मेरा पूरा दिन उससे प्रोडक्टिव जाता है. अगर मैं जल्दी उठ जाती हूँ तो आई गेट अ सॉर्ट ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस कि या I have done my today's work, okay, and I have worked pretty hard and I was very productive today and that is why I'm happy. So that dopamine is my reason. Okay, I want that dopamine to be in my everyday life cycle, and that is why waking up early is a good thing for me and I would like to wake up early every single day. You just have to do this simple thing. Okay, give a meaning to your problem, right? Okay, now take some time and just do that. Okay, I hope you have done that job. Now coming to the most important part, which is actually going to help you set a goal. Now what is this part? You have written the ideal solution, you have added your own personal meaning to it, a real one meaning, right? Now the one thing that you need to do is basically give a priority order to all these problems, okay, and all these solutions basically. तो क्या करना है, प्रायोरिटी ऑर्डर देना है और उसमें से जो टॉप मोस्ट प्रायोरिटी वाली चीज़ है, ओके, may it be fitness, it can be anything, okay? It can be fitness, it can be study, it can be any sort of thing that you want to improvise, okay? And it is the most prioritized thing for you out of all the things that you are listed down, okay? And what you need to do is make that a goal. You got your goal, okay? I have given you a practical way to find out a goal, okay, an yearly goal. And if you already have a goal, but if you still have listed all the problems out there, then you know exactly to achieve that goal, what are the deal breakers for you, what are the things that are stopping you from achieving that particular thing, okay? Like if you want to clear UPSC, for example, and all these problems you are listed down there, trust me, out of these problems, some might really be the reason why you are not able to perform your best, okay? So this is it. So if you have a goal, pretty well you found the problems that are stopping you from achieving that goal. And if you do not have a goal, then congratulations, you got your next yearly goal, okay? Now surely, being me personally, I will recommend you to have a 5-year goal or a 10-year goal, a long-term goal basically, okay? You need to have a destination, okay? You need to have a ceiling, okay, in your mind, where you need to actually imagine yourself कि आप exactly कहाँ पहुँचना चाहते हो, that you need to know very well. And I would personally say that set goals so high, like so unrealistic, delusional goals that you think you cannot achieve in the present, but you would always like to be the version of you that has achieved these goals, okay? So dream high, dream big, okay, but you have to break these bigger goals into small milestones, right? And this small milestone is what you have created right now. So this is your yearly goal, and yeah, out of these goals, जो second, third, fourth number की priority पे है, you just have to take a look at them as well, think about them as well, okay? Now what you will basically do is think about their solution, कि how will they be solved, okay? And I think you know it pretty well, okay? Everybody does. Like you at least have an idea कि what could be done so well to achieve these things, right? To achieve these good habits, okay? So it's just that simple. You have found a goal, and I will suggest you to have a long-term goal, okay, which is unrealistic, completely delusional, which is the version of you that you will always like to live, okay, but something that you don't think you can achieve in the present. That is what your real goal is, guys, okay? And along with that, you have found your yearly goal, okay, which is your real basic, okay, step, okay? You know exactly where to begin from right now. So yeah, this is the part 2, which was very important. Now moving on to the next part, it is, so we have our bigger picture right now, right? We have a goal, at least an yearly goal. So it's just simple. अभी इस actual bigger picture को हमें reality में अगर तब्दील करना है, so we just have to do one simple thing, which is simplifying this bigger picture into actionable, achievable milestones, okay? We have to simplify this into monthly, weekly, and then daily action, okay? This is the destiny, the ultimate destiny, okay? But to get here, we have to get moving first, okay? We have to take our first action, and to take our first set of action, we have to have a simplified plan, okay, which we can actually start from day one, okay? सो इट्स जस्ट दैट सिंपल. आपका जो भी ईयरली गोल है उसे आप ब्रेक करिए मंथली गोल में, एंड देन वीकली गोल्स में, एंड देन एक डेली एक्शन प्लान हम अगले स्टेप में, अगले पार्ट में अच्छे तरीके से बनाएंगे. बट बिफोर दैट यू नीड टू हैव अ क्लियर गोल, अ मंथली क्लियर गोल, अ वीकली क्लियर गोल, ओके? So it's just that simple कि suppose I'm preparing for NEET, I have a PCB syllabus which I have to complete within the upcoming 6 months. Then the 6 months के बाद में completed syllabus is my destiny, and to do that I have some 80 chapters in my whole PCB, and to complete 80 chapters I will plan them accordingly कि हर एक month में I cover enough amount of chapter कि within 6 months it's easy for me to say that yeah my syllabus is done. So yeah, it's just that कि जो भी goal आपने set कर रखा you very well know कि what can it be in its smaller version, right? So you just have to make that smaller version for every single month. That's it. Yeah, so in this step we are actually getting there, we are visualizing it in its real form, okay? So how do we do this? Simple. We just have to make a daily action plan, okay? Now how do we do this? It's simple. जितने भी सारे गोल्स आपने सिलेक्ट कर रखे हैं अभी, उन सारे गोल्स को आपने शायद प्रायोरिटाइज किया होगा. अगर नहीं किया है तो फिर से कर लो, प्रायोरिटाइज कर लो. और प्रायोरिटाइज किस तरीके से करोगे? नॉन नेगोशिएबल्स विल बी योर फर्स्ट नंबर. नॉन नेगोशिएबल्स मैंने नॉन नेगोशिएबल्स मतलब यू विल जस्ट do these things anyhow, no matter what. These things cannot be pushed aside again. These are the non-negotiables. These are the things that are at most important to do, मतलब ये होनी ही चाहिए एक दिन में, this should be the first category. Then you will set it accordingly कि important, and then whatever names you have to give it to the second, third, fourth priority. Okay, give those names to this, but non negotiables का एक section ज़रूर से बनाना. Now नॉन नेगोशिएबल्स है आपके पास और बाकी सारे प्रायोरिटीज़ है. अब इन सारे प्रायोरिटीज़ का एक मिनिमम अचीवेबल वर्जन ओके आप अपने डेली प्लान में डालिए. सो इफ़ आई से आई हैव टू गेट फिट, if I say I have to lose weight for example, and to lose weight I cannot start to pull up 100 kgs the first day. Okay, I have to build a minimum version of it. ठीक है, and to do this मैं क्या करूँगी, I include an hour of exercise in my daily routine. Simple exercise, right? So this is it. You have to give a particular time slot to it and build a minimum achievable daily version of these particular goal. This is how you build an action plan. Okay, daily action plan. Right, अब इस action plan में you have listed everything. I hope you have done that thing. Now yeah, okay, so now I have 3 tips for you. Okay, the first one is कि you have selected your daily plan, right? अब इस daily plan में से आपको non negotiables extract करने हैं. अब ये कैसे करेंगे आप? तो suppose आपने ये mention किया है कि you will like to study or you have to study 6 hours a day. Now you have to reduce this into very easily achievable slot. जैसे 6 hours is your ideal study time. Okay, you will reduce it to 3 hours or maybe 2 hours or maybe 1 hour, right? If you plan to exercise 1 hour a day, okay, every single day, then you will reduce it to at least 10 minutes a day. That is the non-negotiable. If you plan to work for like any sort of work for 5 hours a day, you will reduce it to 1 hour, 2 hours. So that is how you extract the non-negotiables, the minimum, the most easily achievable version of your main priority, of your main goal of the day that makes your day. Okay, so yeah, that is it. So now when you have the non-negotiables, इससे ये होगा कि even if you have a bad day, right, कुछ भी बिगड़ जाता है दिन में, ठीक है, इवन इफ यू हैव अ बैड डे यू विल नॉट गो विदाउट कंप्लीटिंग दिस नॉन नेगोशिएबल्स. ओके, दिस विल एक्चुअली हेल्प यू टू गो विदाउट जीरो एफर्ट, राइट? ऐसा कोई भी दिन नहीं जाएगा जिस दिन आप कंप्लीटली फ्लैट हो जाओगे, लाइक जीरो एफर्ट वाला दिन नहीं जाना चाहिए. एंड टू एंश्योर दिस वी हैव द नॉन नेगोशिएबल्स, इजीली अचीवेबल स्मॉलर वर्जन्स ऑफ आर गोल, बिगर गोल. ओके, डेली गोल बेसिकली. That's it. That was tip 1. Now tip 2 I want to tell you is that don't keep your schedule too rigid. Rigid time slots, I mean that by saying so. तो आपके जो शेड्यूल के अंदर टाइम स्लॉट्स है, डोंट कीप देम लाइक कि इफ़ आई टेक अ कॉफ़ी एट 9:30 देन एट 9:35 गेट बैक टू वर्क. नो, डोंट मेक योर शेड्यूल विथ एकदम ऐसे लाइक रिजिड टाइम स्लॉट्स. एवरी सिंगल टाइम स्टैप इज़ लाइक फिक्स्ड कि ये टाइम में यही करना है. डोंट कीप इट लाइक वाइज, क्योंकि इससे ये होता है कि इफ़ इवन इफ एक टाइम स्लॉट में कुछ मिसमैच हो जाए या इफ़ यू आर नॉट एबल टू अचीव दैट थिंग, इफ़ यू आर नॉट एबल टू just go through it properly, अगर beginning ख़राब हो जाती है तो entire day is ruined, and I do not want that to happen to me and you as well. So just a simple thing कि if you have already made a daily plan, so don't just keep the fixed rigid slots to it, just keep it likewise कि yeah, in a day I'll study 6 hours. So 6 hours का आप एक rough sketch रख लो अपने दिमाग में कि this is how my time goes in a particular day, and yeah, here is my first slot, here is my second slot, here is my third slot, fourth slot, and so on. Likewise. Okay, don't just keep it too rigid. Now the third and very important tip that I'm going to give you is that you need to have an if and then plan always. If and then plan क्या मतलब है इसका? देखो सिंपल है, your mistakes have a pattern. इसका क्या मतलब है? तो जो भी हैबिट्स आपकी है, बुरी हैबिट्स बेसिकली, ठीक है, which restrict you from actually being consistent, which force you to procrastinate, ठीक है, ये जो हैबिट्स है ना, ये पैटर्न में होती है, इनका एक लूप है, ठीक है. ये लूप मेरे लिए ये हो सकता है कि इफ़ इट इज़ 2:30 राइट नाउ देन आई डिसाइड टू स्टडी, बट इफ इट्स बाय एनी चांस इफ इट्स लाइक 2:15 और 2:20 और 2:25 और 2:27 देन आई विल से कि ओके 2:30 होने दो, फिर बैठूंगी पढ़ने. Even when it is 2:30 I'm still scrolling and then I say कि okay I'll wait till 3 and then I'll begin at 3. So this is a pattern और ये चलते जाता है, ठीक है. And then finally जब मेरे हाथ से वो टाइम चला जा चुका होता है, ठीक है, so I regret it कि yeah I wasted my time. Then I get up, I study for 20 minutes, I sleep, this is what happens, and then I get up again, I regret and I promise myself कल से पक्का. So this is not a one day thing, this has become a pattern. You have to find this pattern for yourself, for your mistakes. And you have to know yourself before anybody can spot that thing in you, right? And to do this you just have to take little time, think कि exactly क्या pattern है. कोई भी किसी भी तरीके का pattern हो सकता है, जैसा मैंने अभी describe किया, similar to that, right? And once you identify this pattern, आपके लिए सबसे बड़ा एडवांटेज पता है क्या है? आप अपने माइंड को खुद ट्रिक कर सकते हो जब भी ये वो पैटर्न फिर से फॉलो करने जाता है. अब वो कैसे? सो यू नो कि इट इज़ गोइंग टू बी 2:30 राइट नाउ एंड आई नो आई विल मेक अ बहाना कि ठीक है मैं 3 बजे से पढ़ूंगी और समथिंग लाइक दैट. सो आई कैन जस्ट पुश माई सेल्फ कि नहीं हो गया, I will not do this thing. I know कि this is what my reaction will be, but you give a signal to your brain definitely कि आप 2:30 पे मैं ये बोलूँगी कि मैं 3 बजे पढ़ूंगी, but मैं ऐसा ना करते हुए अभी उठूंगी और अभी ये करूँगी. If you give that small little command to your brain, trust me, it helps you move. And then when you actually move within the first 3 seconds of thinking that thing, you actually could get like 10x better. Like trust me, seriously, this works. I have tried it myself. तो इसको इफ़ एंड देन पे लाते हैं. इफ़ एंड देन में ये करना है कि ये जो सारी मिस्टेक्स हैं, इन मिस्टेक्स के हो जाने के बाद में आप रोते मत बैठना कि यार मैंने ये कर लिया, सो दिस इज़ हाउ माई डे इज़ रूइंड एंड अब मैं कुछ नहीं करूँगी, अब मैं सब कल से करूँगी. अगर ऐसे हुआ तो कभी नहीं हो पाएगा, ट्रस्ट मी. सो दैट इज़ वाई ऑलवेज हैव एन इफ़ एंड देन प्लान. अगर ऐसा हुआ, अगर मैंने फिर बोला कि मैं 3 बजे से पढ़ना स्टार्ट करूँगी, सो आई विल क्विट एवरीथिंग, टेक अ ब्रेक, मेडिटेट फॉर अ वाइल, ओके. एंड मैं खुद को समझाऊंगी एंड देन मैं 6 बजे से या 5 बजे से 4 बजे से जो भी हो उतने टाइम पे बराबर पढ़ने बैठूंगी. दिस इज़ द थिंग, दिस इज़ वॉट यू नीड टू हैव टू एक्चुअली नॉट फिर से वो ट्रैप के अंदर फंसना नहीं है. उस चीज़ के लिए यू मस्ट हैव एन इफ एंड देन प्लान. एंड ट्रस्ट मी, अगर आपने ये प्लान बना लिया है, अगर आपने शेड्यूल बना लिया, उस शेड्यूल में यू हैव अ प्लेस फॉर अ स्किल, इफ़ यू हैव अ प्लेस फॉर योर वर्क, okay, if you have place for some sort of study or book reading session, if you have place for your fitness exercise, okay, if you have included 8 glasses of water, if you have included good diet and skincare, trust me, you have the best plan, you are ready to go. Okay, so we are at our last step. Now what is this? It is tracking our habits. देखो, डेली प्लान बना लिया, ईयरली गोल, वीकली, मंथली, सब हर तरीके का गोल सेट कर लिया, शेड्यूल बना लिया, ठीक है, प्रॉब्लम्स को आइडेंटिफाई कर लिया, हर एक चीज़ हो गई. लेकिन ट्रस्ट मी, खुद पर चेक्स रखना बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है, ठीक है. डेस्टिनी हमें पता है, लेकिन अलॉन्ग द जर्नी टू अचीव दैट डेस्टिनी, टू रीच दैट डेस्टिनी, यू नीड टू हैव अ ट्रैक ऑफ हाउ फार यू हैव कम, राइट. सो ये चीज़ के लिए एवरी डे अपनी हैबिट्स को ट्रैक करना और खुद पर चेक्स रखना बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है इफ़ यू वांट टू इम्प्रूव एवरी सिंगल डे, right? And to do this, I have 5 things for you that I would like to actually mention, like while tracking my day, while tracking myself, my progress. इसके लिए सिंपली एक जर्नल होना चाहिए और जर्नल के अंदर 5 कॉलम्स होने चाहिए. सबसे पहला कॉलम और सबसे ऑब्वियस कॉलम, दैट शुड बी योर डेली टारगेट, टू डू लिस्ट. बेसिकली जो भी आपका काम है, वर्क, स्टडी, वॉट एवर इट इज़, यू जस्ट नीड टू नो कि वॉट आर माई टारगेट्स फॉर टुडे एंड या दैट्स इट. द सेकेंड कॉलम इज़ an important one, which is basically manifestations column. Trust me, it happens. Trust me, you just need to have a little amount of belief in yourself and in the Almighty, and it comes true. So for this, you just need to like no need to write paragraphs, right? You just need to write 2 lines, 3 lines, whatever it is. ठीक है. और किस तरीके से लिखोगे? देखो, if I dream to reach into my favorite best dream college, then I will write it in my manifestations column in a way that I have already achieved it. So if my dream college is somewhere that I want to go, मैं यहाँ ऐसे लिखूंगी कि I am into my dream college. This is it. Okay. So this was the second column. Now the third column is affirmations column. Affirmations column, again, no need to write paragraphs, just 2 lines, 3 lines. I am the best. Okay. Every single opportunity is coming to me. Okay. Everything is happening good with me. Whatever you want to write, just write. I am most confident one. Anything. Right, in the affirmations column. The fourth thing, not third, the fourth one is the gratitude column. अब इसके अंदर भी 2 lines, 3 lines, 2 lines are enough. I am thankful for everything, and second line is something जो आपको पूरे दिन में अच्छा लगा है खुद के बारे में, and that you are grateful for. You can write that particular thing. ठीक है. अगर ये सारा फैंसी स्टफ नहीं पसंद ना, सिर्फ पहला वाला लिख लेना और लास्ट वाला अभी जो बताऊंगी वो वाला लिख लेना, ठीक है. दैट्स इट. लेकिन ट्रस्ट मी, ये जो बीच के जो 2 बताए, 3 बताए, दे आर स्टिल important. So yeah, coming to the last one is not the least one, it is the most important one, and it is what did I do wrong and what went very well today. देखो, खुद की मिस्टेक्स को ध्यान में रखना बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है, लेकिन एट द सेम टाइम नॉट बीइंग ओवरपावर्ड बाय दोज मिस्टेक्स इज एन आर्ट. ओके, दिस इज एन अल्टीमेट वे टू कीप द बैलेंस, ओके, बिटवीन बोथ द थिंग्स. ओके, तो आप अपने मिस्टेक्स सीख रहे हो, व्हाट डिड यू डू रॉन्ग, व्हाट डिड यू रिग्रेट टुडे, एंड द सेकंड थिंग, व्हाट डिड यू लव टुडे. ओके, दिस इज व्हाट यू नीड टू राइट. एंड वो जो रॉन्ग हुआ ना, उसमें लिखना कि अगर ये चीज़ गलत हुई तो इस चीज़ को सही करने के लिए दिस इज़ हाउ आई विल दिस इज़ हाउ would be my next approach, मतलब इसकी तरफ मेरा इस तरीके का approach होगा. You need to mention that clearly, and this is how these 5 columns, okay, one single day, 5 columns, 2 lines each column will help you improve more than any single motivation out there. Trust me, that's it. Now we have a plan, we have a perfect structure, we have meticulously planned it, we have sat here together and हर एक तरीके का रिसर्च करके मैंने ये प्लान बनाया है. सो जस्ट ट्रस्ट मी, दिस इज़ ऑल यू नीड. अब इससे ज़्यादा बैठ कर सोचने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. नाउ इज़ द टाइम टू गेट मूविंग. ओके, नाउ इज़ द टाइम टू टेक एक्शन. ट्रस्ट मी. बट वेल, इफ़ यू स्टेड सो लॉन्ग अंटिल नाउ, देन खुद को शाबाशी देना. यू आर ऑलरेडी अहेड ऑफ 50% ऑफ पीपल बिकॉज समथिंग इन यू felt real. You know, you stayed here because something in you moved. Okay, it forced you to stay because you think you are capable of it. Trust me, अब तक जितनी सारी चीज़ें हो चुकी है पास्ट में, जितनी सारी मिस्टेक्स करी है, उन पर रिग्रेट करना छोड़ दो. ठीक है, उनको बार बार ध्यान में लाना छोड़ दो. जस्ट फॉरगिव योरसेल्फ फॉर दैट थिंग्स. ओके, एंड ट्रस्ट मी, वो मिस्टेक से ये डिसाइड नहीं होता कि आप कैपेबल हो या नहीं एक रीस्टार्ट के, एक रीसेट के. योर प्रेजेंट एक्शंस डिफाइन दैट. And to take those present actions, you have to start from very small actions. इतनी छोटी कि it should not feel like an effort. Okay, for your information I want to tell you, start with the non-negotiables. ठीक है, जो भी एकदम minimum version है ना, वहाँ से start करना कि it feels like a child's play, like an easy job. And once you do it, just reward yourself with a reward system और हर एक दिन उसको धीरे धीरे bit by bit increase करिए. That's how you get moving. That's how you start. Okay, from zero and reach to your peak, to your ceiling. That's it. Okay, one thing that I would like to say is that ki you have a plan, a very well planned plan. Okay, you just need to build a system now, right? And इसके लिए आप छोटे छोटे steps ज़रूर लोगे. Okay, you will work consistently, but trust me, there will be days when you will feel like hell. You will feel like you are so depressed, you lack motivation, you will question yourself, you will doubt yourself, your belief in yourself will shake. There will be days when you will not feel so motivated, so consistent, so productive. There will be bad days, okay? Not everything will go as you planned it, okay? And that's okay. Trust me, that's okay. That's the part of the journey. Only one thing that you are supposed to do is throw all these thoughts away, and you just need to sit and work, okay, with your one non-negotiable. जैसे अगर मेरे दिमाग में सारे thoughts आ रहे, I will just throw them away and I will study for one particular hour, and that's it. That's all you need to keep moving. Trust me, not every day needs to be perfect. It just needs to be consistent with small little efforts. You are capable of doing that. You just need to not quit. You just need to not give up. You just need to not let that fears and negative thoughts overpower your brain. Okay, and that's it. You will ace it, surely. You have a structure. Okay, and trust me, I'm not here to live. I'm going to help you step by step. This was just the episode 1. Okay, the rest are coming. We'll figure it out together, step by step. Okay, you will do it and we will ace it together. That's it. So if you like this video, if you found a bit of information, if it helped you, so thank you so much. I feel so glad that I could help you. Thank you so much that you stayed till the end. This was just the episode 1. Again, I'm saying there are more coming, right? And yeah, let's figure it out together. Welcome to the journey of becoming. Welcome to this channel. If you felt at home, okay, if this video helped, then please join the community. Please subscribe to this channel. Okay, all right, that was all for this video. I'll meet you in the episode 2 of the Restart series. I hope this helped. Thank you.